Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Check this out. This will be the one and only, the final time that I show you guys a 1 month paycheck stub. This is going to be from the month of January. This is Elliott Ghetto Productions here. I know you guys got the best editing team on these other sales channels all over the place, but this is what you call ghetto, guys, but it's real. This is from January 1 right here to January 31st. Pay period beginning, pay period ending. Simple, 1 month. Guys, I made $72,500 in 1 month. That was my total month, and it was even a January. Check this out. This is selling cars. $46,791. $46,791. That's my take home. Guys, this check right here, this is to show you that at 18, guys, listen, there's no magic to making a ton of money in life. It's real simple. You learn the skill, you get with someone that knows how to model it, and then you duplicate it. That's it. But who's going to teach you the skill? Somebody that hasn't made a lot of money before, that's just telling you this is how to do it, or somebody that knows how to do it? Guys, I'm going to tell you this right now. How many hands would go up right now if I asked who wants to make $300,000 a year? How many hands would go up? I guarantee a bunch would. Now let me tell you why most of the hands that go up will never make it. Most are trying to impress people that they don't even really like. Guys, people are losing, right, who they are to try to impress and listen to people who really don't even care about them. I see it everywhere right now. Think about it. You go talk to one of your managers or your GM or one of your buddies and you're like, man, there's a seminar coming up, right? Should I do this? They're like, man, I'd go get a book or something. You know what I'm saying? Just start with the book. Man, what are you talking about and why are you letting that guy control your life? You want to make $300,000? Are you the 1% rare breed? Or are you the 99% like everyone else that don't do nothing about it? Guys, change it and change it now. Okay, so the seminar's just been released. Like I said, we've got 40 seats. On those 40 seats, I want the most hungriest of the hungriest out there. If you don't have an incredible skill set, I want you. Okay? Guys, you know what's sad? Most people watching would rather lose looking cool, right, to other people than win huge and be judged by taking a risk because they're afraid about how others will look at them for being different. Guys, if you got a goal, if you're willing to do whatever it takes, if you want that $72,500 check, guys, it was 18, I had nothing. You can have it. I don't care where you are, sleeping out of your car. It doesn't matter to me. Look at the check. Here it is. Guys, this is selling cars. You got to do whatever it takes to accomplish it. Nothing can stop you if you have the rare acquired skill that I teach in my conferences. This is the type of money that you'll make. I want to tell you this, guys. You have to pay for your dreams. Guys, click on the link below. After checking the paycheck stub out, you want to take home a $46,000 check? Guess what? It can be you. You want to make 6 figures a year and just make 100 grand and you don't want to make $1 million? I'm game with it. But when I teach you the acquired skill, you'll come to the conference as the student and you'll go home as the teacher. You have to pay for your dreams. Guys, don't wait till 2021. Don't wait for a New Year's resolution to kill it. December 13th, December 14th, my conference, I got 40 seats left. Guys, it's $997 or 3 payments of $399. Tell me you can't afford that when you want to be a 6-figure earner or make $1 million in a year. Are you kidding me? Click on the link below. Tons of great training videos are coming for free. They'll keep coming for free all year long. But I'm going to tell you, not till I put my arms around you, spend some time with you, and physically show you the things that I don't give away for free, the things that your competition don't know, guess what? Until you learn those things, that's when you'll really start breaking the bank and your life will change. And as long as you're willing and you're willing to work hard with the stuff that I teach, it's lights out. Guys, click the link below, watch the 2-minute video, and then if you're in, send me a text and I'll call you. Have a blessed day.